Hey guys, do a little video here on my favorite servo that I found so far. Do a little bit of research and checking some different ones. I've tried a few different kinds. Big range in prices on them, and trying to find stuff with all metal gears and with actually has some speed to them. This has been the one I found has been my favorite so far. I think it's pronounced Animos. It's a 20 kilogram digital servo, all metal gears, lots of torque, lots of speed. I'm very happy with them and haven't had any problems with them. Anything burning out yet. They've been working great. You can see got lots of speed to it. They work great. Had them soaked wet, very wet, in snow, water, no issues with them at all. Been very happy with these servos so far. I put them in every one of my cars. Put them in the new Typhoon, the Creighton here, my Sutton, and the Rustler, and all have been working great and had no problems with them. And for $25, you can get them on Amazon. You can't beat that. It's a great deal. So if you're looking for a good servo and looking for something with all metal gears, I definitely suggest them. Check them out. It's definitely worth it for the $25. Can't beat it. Talk to you guys later. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Later.